Hello guys, in this video if you are frustrated with getting low cost effective software alternatives, like you are using softwares like these highly paid and you find any conditions that you can't pay for the softwares anymore, and you want to have a low cost alternative for those softwares, all what you do, open browser and then press EE ask Sumo. So I go for the first link, and here you need to press what you need to help for the software. I'm looking for software to coding and press enter, and here is gonna be the way to get like is gonna be getting the alternative softwares and so on. So here guys you will find no code MBA, learn to code in Google Sheets by Better Sheets, interactive Shield and so on. So I mean coding with the LLMs. Alternative shell guys, interactive shell release open an LLM's learning generator and you find the cost of it for each one. So that's it guys, a tool that can be helpful for you. I hope you like the video, like, share, subscribe to the channel.